Mr. Bilal, before we continue, where were you pulled over at?
Where was I pulled over at?
Yes.
Sir, I was not pulled over. I have
no
idea.
Say no more. That was a pointed question because I wanted to see if you were actually in the car when you got this ticket. I had a feeling you weren't.
No, I wasn't.
Hold tight 1 second. All right. This is State of Michigan versus Omar Bilal, case SP 112-4669, counts 1, 2, and 3. These matters will be dismissed without prejudice due to insufficient evidence. Okay, Mr. Bilal, sir, you are all set. Do you have any questions?
Yes, could you tell me what happened?
Somebody rolled past your car, ran the plate number, saw that it was expired, and also, I don't know how they checked to see that there was no insurance and put a ticket on your car, I'm assuming, or a car that used to be registered to you.
Oh, was that a Pontiac?
You don't even know the car?
No, I don't.
Let's see.
It may be a Pontiac. I think my brother had a car over his house, and he may have parked it on the street.
Where's your brother stay at?
He stay on over on the west side of Detroit, a street called Fenton.
Fenton or Fillmore?
Fenton.
This is on Florence and Fillmore.
Okay, yeah, that's the car. Yeah, I think it's Fillmore. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's probably on the street.
Yes, sir. Yep. Okay. So I have that corrected.
Okay.
I have it. Yeah. Okay, great. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Chinese Boykins got some extra cases. I'm gonna call them all.
Okay.
Ms. Boykins? Ms. Boykins, can you hear me? Ms. Boykins? Chinese Boykins? Ms. Boykins?
Her phone must be down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I think you just got a bad connection. Here, I'm gonna turn your.
Yes.
I'm gonna turn your video off. Maybe that'll help. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, Ms. Boykins, you got a little drag. I just turned your video off, but we're gonna try to do your cases, okay?
Okay.
Okay, my name is Judge Williams. Let me call him. This is State of Michigan versus Chinese Boykins. Cases SP 112-499-2, counts 1, 2, and 3. Also calling case SP 104-46141, which is in warrant status, counts 2 and 3, setting aside the default judgment. Ms. Boykins, could you state your name for the record?
Chinese Boykins.
Okay, Ms. Boykins, today is the day set for an arraignment. I'm going to remove the warrants on the older tickets. Ms. Boykins, if you wanted to resolve this today, I let you plead to an amended charge on the license offense to failure to display a valid license, which is a no-point offense, and I will dismiss the rest of the tickets. The fine will be $240, but I will give you time to pay that if you need it.
Okay.
Would you like to take that offer, ma'am?
For the, like, I'm.
I'm sorry, you're kind of breaking up on us again.
Sorry. I was saying if I already got like the proof of insurance and then like my plates and everything like that.
I'm dismissing
that
the plates and the proof of insurance and the registration.
okay?
So I'm dismissing all of those.
Okay, and I just have to pay for the no license thing.
Yeah, one count amended to failure to display a valid license, which is no points.
Okay, and then can you tell me like when that that ticket was given to me?
So you got one from November 27th, 2019,
Okay,
and then you got one October
just recently
16th,
had one.
2020.
Yeah, and I had a question for the one that I got in November of 2019.
Yeah, what do you got?
Because I did have my my driver's permit at the time, and like somebody, my friend that was in the car, she had her license at the time, but he still told me my license was suspended. But I told him like if I had my permit, my permit didn't expire until January of 2020, and I told him like I don't understand why my license was suspended if I would probably wouldn't never been able to get my permit in the first place.
Well, you can
I didn't have anything.
You can fight it, but I was gonna dismiss it. Taking the other plea, so it's up to you.
Okay. Well, I would just take the plea.
Okay. So Ms. Boykins, could you raise your right hand?
Oh, yeah.
Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Boykins, do you understand that you have the right to go to trial on all of these matters?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Boykins, directing your attention to the date of October 16th, 2020, were you pulled over driving without a license in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to accept your plea as to case SP 112-4992, count 3, amended to failure to display a valid license. The rest of the matters that I called will be dismissed pursuant to this agreement. Please waive the reinstatement fees on these matters. Ms. Boykins, I'm going to assess a fine of $240. Ma'am, how much time do you need to pay that? Ms. Boykins, did we lose you? Ms. Boykins? Well, ma'am, if you can hear me, I'm gonna give you till May 17th, 2021 to take care of this. If that's not enough time, zoom back in on the 17th and ask them some more to avoid the late penalties. So yeah, just give it to May 17th and I'm gonna keep it moving.
Okay, Judge.
Ms. Bradley, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
How you doing, ma'am? My name is Judge Williams, and let me call your cases.
Okay.
The state of Michigan versus Torisha Bradley, case 20440-055, counts 1 and 2, and case 20440-056, count 1. Ma'am, you are charged with 1 count of driving with a license never acquired, 1 count of no insurance, and 1 count of failure to stop at a stop sign. Ma'am, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Ms. Bradley, do you have any of your documentation yet? License and insurance?
I have insurance now, and then for my license, I don't go until Friday.
This Friday?
Yeah.
Okay. So Ms. Bradley, if you wanted to resolve this today, I'm willing to amend the failure to stop ticket to impeding traffic, which is a no point offense. I'll dismiss the no license ticket and the no insurance ticket.
Okay.
You also have the right to contest these tickets if you like.
I think I paid. I only had one ticket that on the website that I had to pay.
Oh, did you already pay the failure to stop?
Yeah, I paid it already.
Okay, well then I'm gonna dismiss the no license and the no registration. I mean, no license and the no insurance. All right, you're all good.
Okay, thank you. You have a nice day.
You too, Ms. Bradley. Mr. Bird, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, your middle name is Vincent?
Yes, sir.
All right. State of Michigan versus Elijah Bird, case 20414-101, count 1. Mr. Bird, sir, you're charged with 1 count of driving without insurance. Sir, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Mr. Bird, sir, do you have insurance yet?
Yes, sir. Yes, I do.
Can I see it, please?
I got an accident with the blue paper.
Bring it in just a little bit more. A little more. Go down a little bit. Okay. Thanks, Mr. Bird. All right, this matter is dismissed due to your valid compliance. Case is dismissed. Sir, do you have any questions?
Thank you. No, sir. No, they're not.
All right, have a good one, sir.
Oh, you too.
Mr. Burrell?
Yes.
How you doing, sir? My name is Judge Williams. Let me call
Good.
you.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right. How about yourself?
I'm good.
All right, this is State of Michigan versus Demario Burrell, case 204403021. Mr. Burrell, sir, you are charged with 1 count of driving with open alcohol in a motor vehicle as a driver. Sir, that is a misdemeanor. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Mr. Burrell, sir, I'm going to set this matter for a trial date. We can try to resolve it on that day, see if we can get a good offer for you.
Okay.
Ms. Bias, can I set trials for the 26th of April?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so Mr. Burrell, sir, I'm going to set this on April 26th, 2021 at 9 o'clock. Sir, just zoom in like you did today, okay?
Okay, you said April 26th.
Yes, sir.
And do I gotta come down here or I can do it?
No, just zoom in. Do it
Okay.
the way you just did.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, thanks.
Mr. Bersie?
Yes.
How you doing, sir? My name is Judge Williams. Let me call your cases. All
How you
right.
doing?
It's the state of Michigan versus Jamal Bersie, case SP 111-30351. Sir, you're charged with 1 count of driving without a license. Sir, you also have a couple of matters that are in warrant status right now. I'm going to call those two. This is U196-93114, case Z799300, and case 154025351. Sir, I'm going to remove the warrants on those matters, enter not guilty pleas on your behalf. Mr. Bersie, sir, if you wanted to resolve all matters today, if you plead a 1 count of failure to display a valid license, which is a no point offense, I will dismiss the rest of the cases that are called. The fine would be $240, but I will give you time to pay that. Sir,
right.
you also have the right to contest these tickets, and we can set them for trial dates. If you'd like to talk to somebody about this offer, we have an attorney in the room as well. You can go over the plea if you like.
No, actually, I like to just pay it, get it out the way.
Okay, sir, could you raise your right hand? Promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay. Mr. Bersie, sir, do you understand that you have the right to go to trial if you wanted to?
Yes.
All right, sir, direct your attention to the date of October 16th, 2020. Sir, were you pulled over in the area of Chalmers and Chandler Park?
I believe so. I don't really remember, but I think so. Yeah, I believe so.
Okay, sir, at that time, were you driving without a license?
Yes.
Okay, sir, I'm going to accept your plea. That's the case SP 111-30351 to the amended charge of failure to display a valid license. Sir, as a result of that plea, the rest of the matters that I called today will be dismissed without prejudice pursuant to the agreement. Mr. Bersie, sir, I'm going to assess a fine of $240. How much time do you think you need to pay that?
Can I get like maybe a month? Maybe would that be too long?
No, that's fine. I give you the May 17th, just to be sure.
Can I write this down real quick? 1 second.
About a month and a half.
May 17th.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 240.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions, sir?
Yes. How would that be paid? Do I like go down to the courthouse and pay?
So you can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org, or you can pay it at the DivDebt kiosk. I know they're at CVS's around Detroit and some other places, including in front of our building, or you can come down and pay it at the courthouse.
Oh, okay. I ain't think that they'll let let me in and pay.
It's hard, you know. You should probably just pay it at the kiosk. It's way easier. They take cash or card.
At any kiosk?
Yeah, they're usually at CVS's around Detroit.
So how would I link that? What do I do? Just go to it, like put in the case number or something like that?
You pipe in your name and it'll pop up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll try to have it paid before then.
Okay. Sir, if you don't have it paid on the 17th, just zoom back in, ask for some more time, and you'll avoid the late penalties that way.
Most definitely.
Okay. Mr. Bersie, do you have any other questions?
No, not as of now.
That's okay. My email is up here, judgelarrywilliams@gmail.com. If you have questions, feel free to ask.
Judge Larry Williams. 1 second. All right.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
You too.
I got last one, Mr. Blackwell. That's a dismissal.
Yeah, he was supposed to be here this morning, Judge.
It's a business license case,
Nope.
Mr. Blackwell.
Yeah.
We supposed to be here this morning?
Yep. I got there about 9 o'clock. They gave me another courtroom. I went to another Zoom bit.
You came down here?
Mm-mm.
You said you came down to court?
Yep. I was there about 9 o'clock.
All right, let me call your case. This is State of Michigan versus Jimmy Blackwell, case SX378-50741. Mr. Blackwell, sir, you're charged with one count of improper plates.
Yep.
Sir, it looks like you took care of the daily log ticket.
Yep.
So I'm going to dismiss this case.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Do you have any questions, sir?
Yeah, that'll do it.
All right. That concludes this matter.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's a taxi ticket case. That's why I was wondering why we had it.
Oh, I don't know, Judge.
I was gonna say you can send it back, but I'd do that docket anyway, so it don't even matter.
Yep.
All right, that's it for me. I gotta go to the other court. So
Okay, Judge.
have a good one. Thank you.
All right, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.